Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoho CRM calendar integrations with Google step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Zoho CRM calendar integrations with Google, first, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon typically found in the upper right corner of your dashboard. From the settings menu, locate the Marketplace option and click on it. In the Marketplace, search for Google Calendar to find the integration. Once you find it, click on the option to install or configure. Follow the prompts to authorize Zoho CRM to access your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials when prompted and allow the necessary permissions. After authorizing, you will be redirected back to Zoho CRM. Next, go to the Calendar section in your Zoho CRM dashboard. Locate the settings specific to calendar integrations. Ensure the toggle for Google Calendar is turned on. Now, select the appropriate calendar you want to sync with Zoho CRM. Review the syncing options available, such as syncing events and reminders. Make any necessary adjustments according to your preferences. Once configured, save your settings. To verify the integration, create a test event in Zoho CRM. Check your Google Calendar to see if the event appears there. If the event successfully appears, your integration is working. If not, return to the configurations and double-check all authorization settings. You can also disconnect and reconnect the Google Calendar integration if issues persist. Remember to review your Google account's security settings, as this can affect integrations. Once everything is set up correctly, enjoy seamless calendar management between Zoho CRM and Google. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.